All right, this is Time by Pink Floyd, or basic chords here, or F sharp minor, A, E, back to F sharp minor. Okay, then your change is going to be D major 7, A major 7, D major 7, back, one more D major 7, C sharp minor, B minor, E, Okay, so we'll look at that much so far. So first we had so 2 to 4 on the D string, kind of a slide. Bend that 4 in the G string a couple of times. Again in a pull off. Kind of hammer on back to the 4. Kind of a wide bend on that D string 4. So 6 with the middle finger G string. Couple 5s. Couple pull-offs, 7 5s, quarter step bend kind of on the little 5. Back to that one. And then we're gonna go. We're gonna slide this middle finger into the 9 of the G string and then catch the little 9 as well. Back to the lower note. Half step on that one. Full step on that one. Kind of comes down, so we got 10 to 9, and then up and down half step. Take that 9 a full step up. So everything so far we got. Then we're gonna go. So we went into the 16 on the D string, 14, 14 going down, and bend the 17 on the second string. And then we'll bend it again and hit the 17 under it. So a couple more 17s. Take it down and go. So bend the 16 up. So we got. And then a little half step bend on that first finger down here, second string. Up and down on that one. So that was 17, second string there, 17s. Up and down on that 16 on the G to the 14. Down to that lower on the D there. So. Okay, so that was 14 on the second, and then little 17 bend, 17, second string, 17. So kind of up and down on the 17, back to the G string, couple pull-offs, bend, some bends on that 19, up and down, and then double hit that, and then this is like a D shape. Okay, so see a D would be there, so this is an E shape here. So we go 16, 17, 16, 17 to 19, couple hits. 17, 19, 17, hammer on pull off. Slide the 17 to 14, hit it a couple times. So let's review. We got okay, so we're going to go into the, so we go into the 9 on the A string, 7 on the D string, and I'll take this, I'm going to take a middle finger on that 7, because it's going to go to the 12, and I need this 11 here for the 11, 14, so 9, 7 with the middle, 12, 11, bend the 14 up and down there on the G. So that was 13, 14. Slide the 13 down. Couple 9s. So kind of a slow bend on the 11 and then bend it again. Kind of down, pull off, back to 11. So we got. So 9 to 6, 9 to 6. And then we bend that 4 in the G string. Kind of an extra bend there, so it was like. And then wide, regular, 2 and bends again. 2 to 4, 2. So that was 4 to 6 on the D, 4 in the G. Slide them back, 6 to 4, 2 to the open E. Okay, so the whole solo again, we got. Back to your F sharp minor, A, E, that's just an example of one fill. major 7, A major 7, D major 7, back, D again, C sharp minor, B minor. All right, Time by Pink Floyd. Hope you dug it. Talk to y'all soon.